I came in so early in the airport. Now I'm hungry again. Been waiting here for a couple hours now. Oh. You know what I want to eat? I want to eat some Jollibee corned beef. Yep. When I get to Katarman, I'm gonna eat some breakfast corned beef at Jollibee. I can't wait. This is my quest to eat some corned beef, baby. Yes, sirree.
Three hours later.
Ay, sorry. Hindi kita nakita dyan eh. Nasa St. Beltran. Okay, bibili tayo ng corned beef breakfast. Ikaw, anong gusto mo? What? Ito yung kapatid kong gwapo. Mag-artista sana to eh. Huwag natakpan yung mukha mo.
C1.
Ano kayo gusto ni tita?
C1.
Ha? Ano yung C1?
Is chicken ko.
Ako, corned beef breakfast.
Yung drinks mo, sir, ng corned beef ko.
May kape kayo?
Meron po.
O isang kape?
Large Sprite na po, sir, o regular lang po?
Maaram ka magbisaya, Kenneth? Maaram ka magbisaya?
Maaram.
Oh, sus, ginoo.
Regular at saka ano? Isang extra.
Hi, ma'am.
Wala na. Ay, yung isa meron, yung isa wala.
Okay ka ba dyan? Okay ka lang? Chicken joy naman ang kinakain ng kapatid ko. Thank you, man.